Strong bones and joints aren't built with calcium alone. They're built with minerals your body can actually use. Bones, joints, ligaments, tendons, all of it, it's connective tissue. And connective tissue needs the right nutritional building blocks to repair and stay strong. Bone and connective tissue support is a plant and herb-based mineral formula rich in silica, calcium, and trace minerals, the forms your body recognizes and incorporates into tissue. One of the standout ingredients is deer antler extract, which doesn't just nourish connective tissue, it helps regenerate weak or damaged tissue, supporting strength, resilience, and mobility over time. This formula is ideal if you're dealing with joint pain, stiffness, past injuries, bone density concerns, or if you want to stay active as you age. Athletes, aging adults, postpartum moms, anyone who wants to move well for decades, this belongs in your foundation. Because mobility is freedom, and freedom starts with strong connective tissue.